If you wish to share the screen on GoToMeeting for Android, you will need to be joined in a meeting. Let's see how to do this. Tap on the button from the bottom that has a screen on it. On this notice, tap Start Now. If you do this for the first time, you will get into this option, Display over other apps. Switch on this option so you can share the screen. Now, go back to the app. Let's see how the screen share works on other people's apps. I have connected another Android device to this meeting as well. You see here screen is sharing. What I have noticed is that on another Android device the sharing works really slow. Maybe it is something from myself, but I was not satisfied with the system for the screen sharing. If you wish to stop the screen sharing, just tap on this button. After we have tapped this, then the screen sharing will be turned off and the person will not see your screen anymore. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.